Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this tasty tamarind and chutney sauce. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipes. So on today's ingredients, you're going to need 1 cup of water. You're also going to need some tamarind, some salt, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of green chillies paste, and lastly 1 onion. So the first step, I'm going to cut the tamarind into 2 and I'm going to place it in a bowl. Then pour approximately 1 cup of water. Then soak the tamarind for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. After approximately 10 to 15 minutes, you're going to squeeze out the tamarind so that we can able to get the sauce. Then afterwards, you're going to take a blender, then add 1 slice of onion and cut it into pieces. Then add the tamarind sauce in the blender. And lastly, add the garlic and the chili paste. Make sure you remove the tamarind seeds before blending it and blend for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, our tamarind sauce is ready and pour in a medium bowl. Lastly, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, optional, and some salt to taste, and mix the tamarind sauce very well. Place the tamarind sauce in a tight glass jar container and store it in the fridge, and it can last for approximately 1 month. Our next step, you're going to make our chutney sauce. Ingredients, you're going to need 1 mango, 1 medium onion, 1 tablespoon of green chili paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, a 1/4 cup of water, 1 cup of desiccated coconut. I've used the packet one, or you can use the fresh one, 1 lime, and lastly some salt. In a blender, you're going to add all the ingredients mentioned in the beginning, which are 1 cup of desiccated coconuts, mango, 1 slice of onion, some green chili and garlic paste, then squeeze 1 lime, or you can use some lemon, some salt to taste, and lastly approximately a 1/4 cup of water. Then cover the blender and blend for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. After around 2 to 3 minutes, our chutney sauce is ready, as you can see in the video, and place it in a bowl. And our tasty thick chutney sauce is ready, as you can see in the video. Place it in a tight glass jar container and place it in the fridge, and it can last for approximately 2 weeks. And my tasty tamarind and chutney sauce are ready, as you can see in the video. They're very thick and very tasty. You can eat along with some viazi karai, bajia, some kachori, or anything that you like, and enjoy your delicious tasty sauce. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.